Hello, I'm Colin Bidwell. I'm going to show you the range of the WAGNER PowerPainter 90 Extra airless paint sprayers. Called the PP90 for short, there are two products, a cart version and a skid version. They share a powerful 800 watt motor, ideal for a wide range of interior and exterior applications, and can apply wood, metal, wall and ceiling paints. Thicker materials like emulsion and smooth masonry paint for exterior walls are also no problem. These airless sprayers are designed for professional painters and decorators who want to achieve a perfect paint finish for their clients. If you are new to spraying and you want a reliable sprayer which is easy to use, this is a great machine to consider. PP90s are designed for domestic use on 240 volts. The motor powers a double acting piston which delivers even paint flow. Therefore you get a far smoother paint application without the normal pulsating along the hose which typically you have with airless spraying. Thanks to this technology, they're quieter running and are low wear, so require little maintenance. When paired with the new high efficiency airless tips from WAGNER, these sprayers can run at a lower spraying pressure which puts less stress on the machine. This significantly increases the life of your tips and the pump itself. Getting the pressure right is made easy with the HEA pressure gauge. The optimal HEA pressure range of 80 to 140 bar is marked in the green on the manometer. Simply turn the dial behind the gauge, which is clearly marked plus or minus, to increase or reduce the pressure. This makes sure you can easily adjust the pressure depending on what you're spraying and the material being used. On the opposite side of the machine is the on-off switch and the large prime spray switch. The switch locks reassuringly into position. You know easily when you are ready to spray or when it comes to shutting down the machine for safe and reliable pressure relief. At the lower HEA pressure, the spray pattern gives a slightly feathered edge, improving the consistency and the finish quality when overlapping your passes. Reduced pressure leads to slightly larger particle size and a softer, more controllable spray, resulting in up to 55% less airborne overspray. On a typical job, you will need less masking and prep, so you get the job done quicker. WAGNER has included the high-quality Vector Pro, which is the lightweight all-metal gun. The ergonomic trigger allows for greater precision. The safety catch prevents the trigger accidentally being pulled. You've got a bash guard to protect your hand, and there is a hook to hang the gun up between uses. Included in the package is the high-efficiency airless HEA Pro Tip 517 with a white filter which is designed for spraying emulsion. The HEA Pro Tip nozzles give a softer spray pattern. You can spray up and down and left to right by just turning the spray guard. If the tip blocks at any point while you're spraying, simply turn it 180 degrees and squeeze the trigger quickly to clear the blockage. Turn it back and carry on working. It's possible for paint to dry inside the piston, but with the inlet pusher valve, this is no longer a problem. All you do is apply thumb pressure to the valve to free it to ensure you have a reliable startup every time. The machine comes supplied with a long 15 metre high pressure hose, large enough so you can leave the spray in the middle or even outside of the room. Other hose sizes are also available to order, for example a 30 metre hose, so you could spray an entire house without moving the machine, and also a shorter 7.5 metre, so if you're doing smaller projects there's less material in the hose for a quicker clean-up time. The toolbox at the back here is perfect for accessories like extra filters, tips, gloves, glasses and importantly your mask. Both machines can draw directly from the original paint container. Take the cart and just tip it back, slide the paint under and lower it straight in. With the skid version, you just get your paint bucket nice and close to the machine and simply place your suction hose into it and you're ready to spray. You can refill directly into the paint container for continuous spraying. The suction tubes have high quality metal press sleeves at both ends, making them very secure and robust. WAGNER recommends lubricating the machine with the supplied oil on every use to keep it running smoothly. Simply remove the cap and get a few drops inside the slot at the front here. Also included with your sprayer is a very useful toolkit which includes two spanners, two 19s, a 17 and a 22 for making all your important connections. I'm I'm going to show you how to assemble the main parts. Everything can be put together hand tight, and then we can go over it at the end with a spanner just to make sure it's tightened properly. Firstly, we're going to remove the protective covers on the hose. Screw the pressure gauge to the hose connection. Screw the high pressure hose onto the pressure gauge. Place the nozzle holder on the spray gun and rotate it to the final position in order to secure it. Screw the thread at the other end of the hose to the spray gun connection. Keep hold of the connection using a spanner and tighten everything up. That's everything tightened now, so now we're just going to complete it by connecting the suction hose. This only needs to be hand tight. Push the return line onto the return flow connector. I recommend that you put water through the machine first to check for leaks. The cart version is more or less the exact same assembly process. However, you can see the feed tube is slightly different and you can install a paint container holder to the front using the 2 screws supplied. We recommend getting your sprayer serviced by a professional servicing company. Service centres are available throughout the UK. Please see the WAGNER website for details. These professional sprayers are built to last, and WAGNER offer industry-leading guarantees that you won't find anywhere else. It comes with a 3+2 year guarantee. That is 3 years as standard. Then by completing the free online registration, you can extend to 5 years. It's really going to depend what sort of spraying you do and how you work to decide which model is best for you. If you don't require a wheeled cart, then the skid version is perfect. Weighing in at only 10.2 kilograms, it is the same 800 watt motor, but in a more compact design that's very easy to transport. The cart version has wheels, which makes it easy to move around. The handle is telescopic, so it's easy to store after use or for getting in and out of your van, and it includes a hose storage to neatly pack everything away. A 5 litre hopper version will be available, which is great for smaller quantities of paint and makes it quick and easy to clean. A range of accessories are available, including tips, tip extensions, a hopper, whip and high pressure hoses. If you've enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more great content.